Hello! Our topic for this lesson is prepositions. You need just 7 minutes to complete this lesson. Let's go over to our lesson objective. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Define a preposition. 2. Make sentence examples of prepositions. 3. Identify the positions of prepositions in a sentence. Let us go over to Introduction to Prepositions. Introduction to Prepositions. Look at the sentence below and figure out what is missing. The cat is the table. Grammatically, this is a wrong sentence. Hence, we can use these images below to make a correct sentence. For the sentence to make complete sense, we can say, the cat is on the table, or the cat is under the table. Note, to make a complete sentence, the words on and under were added for the sentence to make complete sense. Under and on are examples of prepositions. Let's go over to know what a preposition is. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that states the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word in a sentence. Below is an illustration of the meaning of preposition. The preposition shows a relationship between a noun and other words in the sentence. A preposition is also a word that comes before a noun or pronoun to show direction, time, place, location, or to introduce an object. Example: the cat is sitting on the table. Note, the relationship between the cat sitting and the table is on. Hence, the preposition is on, showing the relationship between the cat sitting and the table. Let's go over to examples of prepositions. Examples of prepositions. 1. Under. 2. By. 3. With. 4. To. 5. On. 6. As. 7. In. 8. Before. 9. From. 10. Between. 11. Within. 12. Behind. 13. Instead of. 14. On top of. 15. Because of. 16. Out of. 17. Outside. 18. Across. 19. Below. 20. Inside. 21. Around. Let's go over to sentence examples of prepositions. Sentence examples of prepositions. 1. He jumped over the wall. 2. The boys go to school in groups. 3. She is with me. 4. There is a pen under the table. 5. The boy slept between his brother and his father. 6. She went out in the evening. 7. Olivia is standing at the door. Let's go over to assignment. Assignment. You can pause the video and write out these sentences on your notebook. Practice these dialogues in pairs. Position of prepositions. A preposition is usually placed before a pronoun, noun, or noun phrase, or some other words in a sentence. The pronoun, noun, or noun phrase that completes the preposition is known as the object of the preposition. A preposition plus a noun phrase is called a prepositional phrase. Positions of prepositions. 1. At the end of a clause or sentence. 2. At the beginning of a clause or sentence. Let's go over to prepositions at the end of a clause or sentence. Prepositions at the end of a clause. Sentence examples. 1. She's sitting on the chair. 2. He threw the rubbish into the bin. 3. Olivia was punished for lateness. Note, in all the above sentences, the preposition is at the end of the clause. Let's go over to prepositions at the beginning of a clause. Prepositions at the beginning of a clause or sentence. Sentence examples. 1. To whom does the car belong? 2. The hospital in which Joy was born has closed down. 3. Besides, it's still early for me. If you take a close look at the above sentences, you will notice that the preposition started the clauses or the sentence. Let's go over to assignment. Assignment. You can pause the video and write out these sentences on your notebook. Fill in the gaps with the correct prepositions. One has been done for you. In summary, we've been able to learn the following. 1. How to define a preposition. 2. How to make sentence examples of prepositions. 3. How to identify the positions of prepositions in a sentence. I hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next lesson. Thanks, and goodbye.